Oh, hey, raise your hand if you like really cool technologically advanced vacuums. Raise your hand if you like a ton of super useful accessories with that vacuum so it can perform so many jobs. It'll take you a week to actually do all of them, and all of them are awesome. There it is. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm your host Kevin, welcoming you to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Please do me a favor, if you like these videos, give us a like down there. Also subscribe to these videos, because we're going to be dropping a whole bunch of Good Tech Cheap your way. Turn on that notification bell so you know when we're dropping more videos of Good Tech Cheap. So today, we got something really cool for you. This is the Homeika P10 cordless stick vacuum. 25,000 Pascal unit rating, super suction power, up to 50 minutes of runtime. It works on hardwood floors, it's lightweight, it has a removable battery, and it can clean daily quite rapidly with all of that power and all of those super cool accessories. As I was mentioning, first off, you have a 25,000 Pascal unit rating. That's right, 25,000 PA, that's super suction power. The Homeika P10 comes with a strong suction of 3-speed power selection. There's an eco mode, a medium mode, and a super suction mode. All 3 modes are going to allow you to meet efficient operation. You'll get all your cleaning needs taken care of, from light dust to just the crud that piles up in the corners of your rooms and you don't want to think it's there, but it is, and it's kind of icky at the very least. Yes, I said icky. We broke it down for you here at Good Tech Cheap, and with that 50-minute battery power, you're going to get that with the lower cleaning mode. You're going to get 25 minutes in medium mode and 12 minutes in the super suction mode, which again is a lot of fun to use. The whole vacuum weighs barely 3.5 pounds, so that is super lightweight. It's also designed to have a lot of flexibility, so you're able to turn it, you're able to clean around corners and under low-hanging furniture like dressers and chairs and coffee tables and sofas and all things like that. And it's really neat because the 180-degree swivel head is engineered so precisely you can actually just get those corners no problem. Bye-bye icky stuff. We're dealing with 5 stages of filtration here, that's right. It's going to suck particles out of the air, dust and mites and pollen and things that just do not make you happy. All that will be gotten rid of. The 5th filter is actually put over the exhaust system so that the air that comes out of the vacuum is actually specifically cleaner. It's a very thoughtful thing to have done. And with all that filtration, you're going to get rid of 99.97% of all airborne particles. So you can breathe easy. All right, now let's actually talk a little bit about all the accessories that come with. I had a chance to test them out. Let me see if I can remember all of them, as there are quite a few that are designed to do very specific jobs, and they do them very well. So we have multifunctional attachments here. There's a crevice tool, there's a 2-in-1 crevice brush, and there's even a tool to get hair that's tangled in the brush out of it. And that has happened with every vacuum I've ever owned, and I think all my friends and family members. It just reduces the power, and it's really annoying, so to have that is really cool. The LCD screen shows you the remaining battery life, of course. It also shows you what cleaning mode you're in. And with all those accessories, you're going to be able to save space because everything can be wall mounted. And what does all this tech cost you? Click on that link in the description below and you will see $159.99. That's a great price for this powerful vacuum with that 25,000 PA rating, Pascal units, suction power, that powerful motor, all the accessories, and that fast charging time. $159.99. Once again, click on the link in the description below. You'll see for yourself. Alright, I think that just about wraps it up for this video. I'd like to thank Homeika for sending us the P10 cordless stick vacuum. It was actually a lot of fun to test it out in its different power modes and to use all those different accessories to see how they help clean around the house. Anyway, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time. Bye.